So here we are over at the special experts area. You know the rules, I think, don't you? You're going to have 60 seconds from the time I blow my whistle.
No, I have never made a paper.
You've never made a paper airplane. This is going to be absolutely brilliant. So I can't wait.
Look at that.
It's going to go.
That was Sophie, our aerospace engineer. And that's the other aerospace engineer down the other end. So you can see there the difference in rocket thrusters they put on those. So Shrouk, this is your, as an electrical engineer, electronics engineer, you haven't got any wires here, but you could decorate a few lines on there at the end.
Yeah, I could put some.
But the
least
amount of resistance the plane will go, the further you see what the resistance. No,
Mark.
never mind. I'm trying my hardest here. Right. So let's count her in then in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. All right, let's do it.
Have you? Oh, you're literally just going for a backwards fold.
Do it.
Did you see the backwards fold?
Yeah.
That's incredible. You must have made this before, Shrouk.
No, I'm.
You're copying those up there. Well, you've only got 45 seconds left, so you know.
How is that? What are they doing?
Oh my word! This is gold dust.
This is not going to work.
Do you know what? I bet this will probably go the furthest.
Yeah, a bit of foldage anyway. Yeah, we've got 30 seconds.
No,
30 seconds. Don't panic. You're right. You've got 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
You're only halfway through.
Yeah, that's looking pretty interesting.
Fold it. Yeah, fold
maybe
it.
Maybe a bit of foldage. Right.
Yes. Do you have advice?
And maybe pull the sides down a bit there. That could do it. We've got 20 seconds. You've got some pens here. Got some pens. Would you like to maybe colour it in a bit? That might help.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yes.
Yeah, a bit of colouring. I've got 10 seconds for colours. Lovely. She's writing her name on there just so we know when it's gone right through the other side of it. Awesome. Oh, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Do I throw it from here?
Whistle's gone again.
Okay.
Right.
All right. Let's do it.
Thank gosh for the claps. And now then, okay, you can run up. Oh, hang on. You can do a run up, but if your foot goes over the line before you let go of the plane, that will be a DNF.
Oh my God.
Fly. Okay, so on the count of 3, then everybody. 3, 2, 1. Yo, throw it! it's just there.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, India. She's brought your. It's actually
Brilliant.
It's actually less distance than the length of the plane, which is.
Can we have like a first and last prize?
Yeah. We need like the wooden spoon.
Right. Well, so Shrouk, I'm gonna measure now with my special electronic measure. Yeah. Look, it's a laser measure. 0.4 of a metre.
No, we don't say that.
Is that right? That doesn't. It might not even. This might not measure that length.
I reckon that's just under half a metre.
Yeah.
You reckon?
Yeah.
0.402 of a metre. Right. Well, we'll write that up for you. Hang on a second.
Shrouk, I haven't been yet.
Yeah.
So I think I'm going to get negative.
I don't think you can.
It's going to go backwards, mine.
I don't think. Oh, maybe if you do that.
Fly backwards.
Okay. Yeah. We'll put that one up here, look, and now we're going to put, because it looks like a better leaderboard when they're up there. Wow, well done, Shrouk. So, do you think your tactics worked well there?
I am going to go with no.
Yeah, I don't think we can explain it any other way, can we, really? But it was a valiant effort.
It was.
Thank you so much.
Brilliant. It's so lovely to see you, Shrouk. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.